Oh, really? Can I? Hello once again. Today we want to try to replace the rear spoiler. Then we replace the rear bumper. And when we have enough time, we want to try to fit the side skirts on. And I think that's a lot of work for today. You make the top one at last, for the simple reason when I make the top ones on the first, it will hang off the whole time. Here we forgot one. Ow! So, and now it comes the funny part. I remember it was a shitty work to demount it. I have here 2 screws and one really hard clip. Here I have to be careful to not lose the screw. First one done. Ooh, close one. And the last one. Okay. Perfect. Here you see the clip. I think it's hard to see for the camera, but I can show it later. Almost. There it goes. A little bit down. First. Second. I hit it. So now we can show the clip. Here you can see the clip. So you have put in the Flügel flies. I don't know how it calls on English. So you can't remove it without pushing these in. So it comes, and then the spoiler on top of it. But we have to make the spoiler on the feet before we mount it. So now we have to mount the spoiler feet on the spoiler before we put the spoiler in, because this will sit on the trunk and we can't screw it. So we have to do it now, and at least we have to do it right. You have to lift the spoiler. I can see. Fall off the ground. And now I lost the last screw.
One could say you screwed it.
I screw it. What it means?
You just messed it up.
Okay. Yeah, I screw it. But I don't hear it fall on the ground, or can see it as well. I'm confused now. Let's screw it from the inside. This side is much better.
Yeah.
I hate this noises when you screw inside the car. I like it. Now we have to depart the trunk, the inside of the trunk, because the rear bumper was holding here and here from 2 screws when I remember right. But it's 7 years ago I departed, so maybe I'm wrong, but I think it was on these 2 points. That's the only thing I hate on Japanese car. That's cheap plastic shit. Look at this. That's the only thing I hate on Japanese cars. So, here's 1 bolt. Yeah, 2 bolts from here. That was what I'm thinking. Here you can see 1 bolt. Can you see it? I think it's 2. It's fine. And here's 1 bolt. Now the other side, and I think we can disassemble the rear bumper. We have to be really careful with these plastic clips because they will break so easily. If you can see, the bolt here is already broken. So I can remember by disassembling the last time for 7 years, it was already broken and I don't fix it because it's holding without it, but now we make it.
Irgendwo den Autoschlüssel?
Ja,
Wo?
in meiner Tasche. Okay. Okay, I broke this one. But I have enough from these. This one and this both maybe. Here you can see that's my fog light, because it's not allowed to drive a car in Germany without the fog light. I never used it, but I have to make it. Welcome in Germany. Now I think I open every screw. I like these clips, so you easily can screw it out and then you can put it out. We forgot the light for the sign. A little bit. I have to drill the holes a little bit bigger. So when I make the hole a little bit more to the outside, it will fit here perfectly.
I have a theory.
My side looks good.
When you push on this in, that's gonna push this side out a little bit, right? Should.
But my side is way better. It's almost perfect.
Yeah.
That's enough.
So if you push here,
Why is there all the time demount?
yeah, that's okay. That's fine.
Depart.
No, demount.
Demount.
Mounting and demounting.
Yeah, way better than I think. So